Y'all, I currently look a freaking mess. It's like 12:30. I'm running late for real. I need to be ready by like 1:30 because my sister's coming to get me and we're going to go to my mom's house, help her get ready. We're going to see Doja Cat and Ice Spice. So I'm about to jump in the shower, wash my hair, and do my makeup and get dressed. I'm gonna be back after I do that. My lip is so irritated all right here because I got wax strips last night and I tried to wax my upper lip because I thought I had hair on there. Come to find out I don't got no hair on there and I pulled my skin, so it's like really irritated. But yep, I'll be back when I go do that.
Such a princess, he passed me his knob. Baddest still bitch for my block. Me and Baddest be.
She's not even dressed yet, but
so they always be singing my song.
we're about to go to our mom.
I'm gonna put that shit on. Okay. You know I'ma get to the bag.
We about to go to our mom, help her get ready, and then jump on the highway. Wait, where are we going first actually? To Target, right?
Like jelly.
You gotta go to Target. And then
but I'm still shaking ass in the deli.
we're gonna go to Target and then go to that's it, right?
He want the walk, but I just want the Freddy. And I'm ready as
Alright, we'll see you when we get with her. Okay, y'all, so I switched up my makeup a little bit, but we already got my mom ready. And I'm hungry, so I'm at my grandma's house getting some of her chips. Yeah, Alyssa's purse is really tiny. I don't need nothing but my money, though. And my phone. Look, listen. Don't we look like we're going to the picnic? She really does, for real.
Let me see that puppy road. Can't even see my booty. Give me a chicken nugget.
I know I was eating the fries that she just made, but yeah, we're going out to eat and then we're gonna go to the concert. So I guess I'll see y'all either when we get in the car because we still got like an hour drive. So yeah, see y'all then. All right, y'all, we made it to Starters. We about to eat. We're gonna eat like a whole bunch of stuff. Listen. What'd you get to drink?
Look at my drink, y'all. It's literally.
What'd you get to drink?
That's how you know this is straight liquor.
I'm gonna show y'all my drink when it comes. Not you praying. Yeah. Alyssa, what drink is this?
A Long Island.
Okay.
And I got a Don Julio double shot, lemon drop, martini.
Damn.
That's some real drunk girl shit.
Yeah. Alyssa.
You know you want me, so why you be playing for? So what you delaying for?
That's where we going in at? I had a red purse, but I don't know where it went.
Oh, I looked in the car. It wasn't small enough.
Yeah, my purse wasn't small enough to the. Yay. Oh shit.
I don't know which floor to push.
Press one.
Like go see Doja Cat and Ice Spice.
Like that.
like this. Like this.
Listen. Oh, listen. Y'all, we missed Ice Spice. We literally got to see her for 30 seconds, so that was it. Somebody gave me a free shirt and I lost it at dinner. I'm drunk, so I'm gonna forget to record everything. I can't believe I lost a free shirt that someone gave me. I look so high.
She mad, but she about to still have fun right now.
I told him I lost my shirt.
Over here to drink, and she don't drink it.
I told him I lost my shirt.
You lost it or you left it?
Lost it. I left it.
She left it.
I left it inside the booth, I think.
I don't really got no time. I don't wanna fuck all night, yeah.
I'm getting sobered up. Look at my face. Look how red I am.
Drinking some coffee. I don't know.
The concert was actually fun. Hopefully we win some money.